Hi everyone, my name is Suraj Chaudhary and I am doing MBA first year in college SS Institute of Management. So today's our subject is managerial economics and subtopic is that elasticity of demand. First of all, we have to know about the definition of managerial economics. The one standard definition for economics is the study of the product distribution and consumption of goods and services. Second definition is that it is the study of choice related to the allocation of scarce resources. The first definition indicates that the economics includes any business, non-profit organization or administration unit. The second definition establishes that economics is the core of what managers of the organization do. Now we are going to discuss about elasticity of demand. The definition of elasticity of demand is given here. Demand elasticity is an economic measure of sensitivity of demand relative to a change in another variable. The quantity demanded of a good or services depend on the multiple factors such as price, income and preferences. Whenever there is a change in this variable, it causes a change in the quantity demanded of the goods or services. Now we have one example of elastic demand. Now we are seeing in the graph the vertical axis is shown is price and the horizontal axis is shown as quantity. It means that x and y axis. Now we are seeing here if the price is increases, then the quantity demanded is decreases. The elastic demand we have formula is equal to change in quantity upon change in price. Types of elastic demand. The types of elastic demand has a three types of elastic demand. First one is price elasticity of demand, and this one is depend on the changes in price. And second one is income elasticity of demand. This elasticity of demand is totally depend on income of the consumer. Third one is cross elasticity of demand. Cross elasticity of demand is depend on when the change of price of one substitute goods and the demand for and demand is increases for the second substitution good. Now we will discuss one by one. The first one is price elasticity of demand. So here we have a different graphs of price elasticity of demand. Perfectly elastic, perfectly elastic. When we can say perfectly elastic? Now we have here the quantity demanded in the x-axis and the price in y-axis. We are seeing here the price is constant and the quantity demanded is increases. It means that perfectly elastic demand. In second verse, quantity demanded is constant and price is continuously increasing, but quantity demand is constant. It means that perfectly elastic demand. The third one is unitary elastic. Unitary elastic demand means the price, as the rate of price is increases, then the quantity demanded is also is same. When both are same, then we can say that unitary elasticity. And fourth one is relative elastic. Relative elastic means the price is The price is increases in some amount, and then the quantity demanded is increased in some amount. It means that the feed is greater than 1. And the fifth one is relative inelastic. Relative inelastic means the feed is less than 1. Second one, we have income elasticity of demand. Now, what is income elasticity of demand? Income elasticity of demand show how responsive the demand of product to a change in real income. The formula for calculating income elasticity of demand is percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in real income. With income elasticity, we distinguish between the following. For normal goods, they have positive income elasticity. Luxury good, where the income elasticity is greater than 1. Necessities, where the income elasticity greater than 0 and less than 1. Inferior product, these have negative income elasticity. Inferior goods are counter-cyclic goods, product whose demand varies inversely to the microeconomic cycle. Demand rise in downturn. The last one is cross elasticity of demand. The responsiveness of the demand of one good changes the price of other good is called cross elasticity of demand. Cross elasticity of demand, we have formula for that. Cross elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded of a good is divided by percentage change in price of good. It means that we have percentage change in quantity demanded of good X and percentage change in price of good Y. This means that we have to check in, there are two goods are here, substitute X and Y. Its numerical value can be positive, negative or 0 depending on whether the goods are substitute, complement or unrelated respectively. We have one practical example of the cross elasticity of demand. Tea and coffee are substitute to each other. It means that if the price of coffee rises from 10 rupees per 100 gram to 15 rupees per 100 gram, as result consumer demand for tea increases from 30 rupees per gram to 40 rupees per gram. It means that the example, there is a rise of price from coffee from 10 rupees per 100 grams to 15 rupees per 100 gram. But the demand is increases for tea from 30 rupees per 100 gram to 40 rupees per 100 gram. It is the practical example of cross elasticity of demand. Thank you. Stay at home and stay safe.